Let's start today's drawing. For that I'm going to draw one straight line in the middle of the paper, and then on the left hand side I'm going to draw one plus sign here. Now I'm thinking this much big head I want, so I will draw one line here, and almost same thing I will do here. So for this one I'm going to draw head. If you want to draw circle, you can draw a circle, or if you want to do plus sign and then circle, totally up to you. And this time I will try to go a little bit in here, so my line is not in the middle anymore. Now I'm going to draw the bottom one. So for bottom one I will start from here, and same thing from this side, and I will try to turn this one. A little bit up here. Now I'm going to pick one point from here. In the middle of this one over here, I will start from here. I will go a little bit up like a sad face over here, and then a smiley, and I will go all the way here. A little bit down from here. I will start. This line will go up here and make it pointed, and from here it will go out like a skinny triangle shape. From here to here I will do arch. Now I'm going to curve a little bit. Now we can see this part. Instead of that, we will curve the whole thing. And it's look like this one is going a little bit out, so if I'm going here, I will correct this portion too. This is the plus sign. I will start from here, and I will cross this one, and I will go down. And over here, I will draw. If you want a little bit tilted, you can do tilted or straight, totally up to you. I'm going to draw a drop shape over here. Along the lines. This one here. So from here we will start. Even the bottom line we can pull here, so we can start from here, go next to this one, go a little bit higher than this one, and go like this, like a kind of like a U shape. And from here we have to draw a circle. So if you want to do plus sign, you can do plus sign. Same size like this one. this is the line, so under this line over here I will go up and then slowly down closer to this one. I will pull this one up here, and from here we can do the tail. We can do again drop shape. This is the plus sign. From here we can draw eye over here. For the beak we can draw a smiley face over here. This will go up, this will go down. And from the middle we can pull a little bit small line from here, very tiny, and we can do one upper beak here and one bottom one is here. Kind of like a square shape over here, a rectangle, and from here we can connect this way. We are going to draw the legs. For that I can put two lines from here and two lines from this side. For this one we can do one I want here and one here maybe. So for this one we can do the shape thicker here, thinner here, just getting an idea. So over here we can do this direction. So for that we can do side 1, 2 and 3. 1, 2, 3. This one also 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So this one I will move this direction. I want this one to go in this direction. And this is going to be the branch.